Well, after careful review, not saying that I saw a whole lot, but it looks like that front right tire is just kind of back and forth, vibration a little bit. That might be just a trick of the eye, but maybe it's just the way that the tread was made. It just kind of looks like that tire is just a little bit wobbly. It's not hopping, which is a good thing, but I think what I'm going to do is just take that front tire, move it to the back, move the back tire to the front on the same side, and take it for another spin, see if that cures it. Well, I've decided just to get rid of the oil that's in here. I believe that when I put this oil in here, that I think it was just regular gear oil. I don't think it was GL4 metal, yellow metal safe. So it was good for temporary, but I'm having my wife pick up some Royal Purple, and yeah, I'm thinking about just replacing it, because basically 1 quart of Royal Purple will do both sides. It's just an easy thing to do while I'm here. Right here says Max gear is non-corrosive to soft yellow metals, brass, bronze, copper. Royal Purple. It's a little expensive, but you only need like 1 quart and it'll do both sides. Easy peasy, just nip the tip. Make sure this is level, so this is at the 4 o'clock position. And just squeeze it in there. Oh, save it, save it. Pro tip. Ensure to use Teflon tape, or don't and lose all your oil in the next 100 miles. All right, she's all drained out. Since I just have a little bit left in this, and it's a lot harder to pour it on its side, okay, nothing's coming out yet, so I need to add some more. Yep, there we go. Well, the last thing I need to do is take it for a test drive to see if the ride is any better, if that kind of shake has gone away. If it has, then I know that that rear tire, there's some kind of issue with it. And maybe I just need to put it on the spare to see if the spare is any better. Ah! Help! Help! I've fallen and I can't get up! It definitely is an improvement. That mirror would be shaking so bad that left and right it'd just be crazy. And I'm right at the sweet spot when it was happening. Definitely feels a lot better. So it must be that front tire, which is now on the rear. I might just have to put that one in the spare tire carrier. Thanks for joining me on this another cool adventure with Malachi. And well, you know what? Just some easy peasy maintenance, right? I'm pretty glad that I got that resonant frequency fixed. Maybe there's something bad with that back tire, but it looks like it's going to be better on the back anyway. Until then, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.